We appreciate you joining us in this new year. And as we start a new week, we have a return of some familiar conditions here to the valley. Snow, wind, and Arctic air, all on their way back after we've spent not even 24 hours above zero here in the FM area. Now, we do have some milder weather through the overnight, but tomorrow things get pretty bad, and they're first alert weather days. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to have snow, and by the afternoon, we're talking noon and through, say, 3 p.m., snow will spread into our western counties. The evening drive will bring snow to the Red River Valley, and there will be accumulation beginning, so that could be greasy and slippery for many of us. Then by Wednesday morning, many of us will continue to see the effects of snow as it exits in the early day, but the wind blows all day, and you know what that means. With this cold, fluffy, flaky snow around, there's going to be blowing, there's going to be drifting, there's going to be reduced visibility, and it all hits to be followed up by that Arctic air. Here is a look at what we are expecting with regards to tonight. We have a clear patch of skies across the northern valley into central Minnesota. We'll see temperatures there cool quickly, but the clouds building in are going to bring some changes overnight in the form of a warm-up. But here things are getting started. In the mountains of Montana and Idaho, we're starting to see low pressure develop, and that will be heading our way by tomorrow. Temperatures now 10 Fergus Falls. How about Wadena at 12? And if you sneak down to Alexandria, it's 18 degrees there. How about Hallock at 3 above, and just across the river out toward Langdon, it's 2 below zero at this hour. Winter storm watch for the Red River Valley counties of the Minnesota and eastern North Dakota. Winter weather advisory in blue. We will see wintry conditions in central Minnesota as well, but we will keep you up to date with any updates on that. Now, first and foremost, your hour-by-hour forecast tonight. We'll see temperatures drop early, and then they'll start rising as we go through the overnight hours. Wind will be easterly as this storm or low pressure system gets developed in the central part of South Dakota. Now, gusty winds will develop. Temperatures will be warmest in the early day. Look at this. We'll be 10 degrees to start our day in Fargo, 13 in Fergus Falls, near zero up north. Snow, well, it'll be out to the west of us, but it hits us from the west. So our western counties will see it first. As we get into the midday hour, it starts to move in places like Rock Lake and all the way up toward Walhalla and down into the James River Valley. By the drive time home, I'm concerned that we're going to have a rough and tumble drive time because we'll have pockets of moderate, maybe briefly heavy snowfall coming down with winds gusting from the northwest at over 40 miles per hour. The north winds, they're going to tug down that Arctic air, and the snow continues into the evening and overnight hours for much of our area, but the core of it, the heaviest, moves off to the east through the overnight. By morning, by about 8 o'clock, most of us will be snow-free as far as new snowfall goes, but look at these yellow arrows. Gusty winds over 40 miles per hour continue as the temperature will continue to fall into your Wednesday. How much snow? Well, we're looking for a pretty wide swath of 2 to 6 inches of snow. Isolated 4 to 8 plus will be possible. I think the best chance of that along the international border, but we could see pockets right here in the Devil's Lake Basin and into Lakes Country. Teens to start the day. Snow chances increase in the afternoon, particularly near drive time here in Fargo. And then look at the temperatures fall like a brick, and it looks really cold after that. So first alert weather days are on the way. Light pillars, something we see often with these bitter cold temperatures and ice crystals in the atmosphere. A beautiful scene there. First alert weather day for Tuesday and Wednesday morning for the snowfall that will accumulate 2 to 7 plus for many areas. Then as we go into Thursday, it's going to be downright nasty with Arctic air and wind. Friday, we start the morning off cold, but we warm up a little bit. Then after that, Saturday, we start to see a quiet day, but then Sunday and Monday, the Arctic air returns. Now, Saturday, quiet in the Southern Valley. It looks like another shot of measurable snow possible for the Northern Valley. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on that too, Mike. But all in all, I guess it's January, and we live in the Northern Plains. We'll guide you through it. Make sure you download that weather app.
All right, keep us posted. Thanks.